Kubor nagashlam jong unongsan Hima.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala Ubak Prestun Tensong, hene kasngi ulakam bagi Nongïalam ka TMC, nakapor syakapor kijuya kendu yaki Nongmihkhmat, kibadan hapo ka Sorkar MDA, ban Khot yaki ban Pynïasoh no batka. Ulaban rapru dakabaong ban nakaliang kajongki Nongïalam, badan hapo ka Sorkar MDA, kim dan kam ban Khot yaki ban wan Pynïasoh. Ulaya thuru bakim pat yakendu yu henry yaki wei ki MLA ki lay kendu nakapor syakapor ban Khot yaki. Ulaong bahadu mentah ki MLA jong ke NPP ki don hadu arpulai ngut baru ulaong ba umdan ki jingtem laki MLA na ki wei pat ki seng kenwan Pynïasoh bat ke NPP.
Now ITC is one, and that one is what they even sending fillers to every village of the coalition. Okay, that why not you come and join us? It's like that. But from our side we don't need and we don't want. But from ITC and they keep doing that every day. So every day. So they keep meeting our colleague MLAs from within the MDA.
So you've been approached also?
Sorry?
You've been approached also?
Not necessarily for me, but yes, for other MLAs. They keep approaching.
So AITC is poaching the MLAs of the ruling MDAs?
Naturally, yes. Obviously, they are the one who does the poaching.
Can you tell us how many MLAs the NPP is getting? Because there will be a time that officially they will be joining. Can you tell us?
MLAs that we are getting right now is 23.
No, joining.
Sorry?
Joining.
Oh, that I don't know. But right now, the total strength of NPP MLAs is 23.
That is the current one?
The current one, yes. I'm talking about the current one.
23, how many?
Oh, about 23. 23 to, I think 34, 35 minimum.
So anybody is joining in?
Sorry?
Any MLA?
I don't know that. I'm not aware about that.
That means nobody joining?
No, I don't know. As I said, I don't know. But we are fighting now to get more than 34, 35.
What about number in Lingdom?
I really don't know that also. Say anything on this particular case.